Hi, Melissa. I've got your submission up here, and I just want to say now, if I look at this, compare this next to your other submissions, I mean, I clearly can see that this is the weak link in all of your submissions so far. So I really want you to think about that. There's no cover page. You're not really giving us any kind of introductory information as to what we're looking at. As a viewer, we're at a very much at a disadvantage because we just start with the show booth mock-up and then there's no information. So I would like to see you address that. This part, your written rationale is, of course, as usual, spot on. The design for the show booth, I think, is really, really underdeveloped. I mean, take a look at the examples I had, and at the very least, I'd like to, to give I know you have a side view, but I don't see how that side view correlates to that. So, and then over here, you've got your bags hanging, but nowhere does that say, like, this is supposed to be labeled, okay, so like that's your giveaway, label it up there, then have a pointer over here to this consumption and consumerism, and then tell us what it is, what's it made of, the materials list, and the reasoning behind it. Then this thing right here, label it, there's a little arrow to it, it says, okay, this is so-and-so, here's the reasoning behind it, here's the materials list, and so forth with that, and with that, etc. with that, these, you know what I'm saying? I mean, really show the intent here, and show it, and design it, you know what I'm saying? Let's go to the next page and say these are going to be designed. They're going to have the logo or some sort of information on them. So I'm just kind of puzzled as to why they're just showing with these different colors. It just doesn't, I don't know. It just, to me, it doesn't make sense why there's no graphics on these bags. Okay, and then, of course, you have your excellent materials list here, but use pointers, point to them, label this. It's like you have here. You have small front pocket. Well, go ahead and give us the reasoning behind that. Tell us the sustainability reasoning behind that, and the methodology, as well as give us the materials list. What's it used from? What is the stitching made from, etc., etc. Okay, so you have these started to get labeled, but I like you to label the entire thing, okay? Then I have to admit to you that from there, the rest of your presentation is, I'm just kind of lost because you don't have any of these labeled. I don't know what this is. The viewer doesn't know what this is. It looks like a credit card, but I don't know, just kind of lost here. So really, I'm just kind of confused about that. So, okay, if you have any questions, just give me a holler or shoot me an email and I'll be glad to clarify. Okay, thanks, Michelle. I'm sorry, Melissa. Sorry about that. I'm sorry, Melissa. Thank you very much.